Hello, 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 all of my 11th grade students, my little geniuses, how y'all doing? Please ignore the wire in my mouth. I gotta wear retainers and I can't go to the dentist because they're closed. It's a really fun time right now. At any rate, let's ignore all that. Today we're gonna be talking about moles versus grams, or converting moles to grams and grams to moles. This is something you should be very familiar with. This is more of a test YouTube video to see if it actually works and if I can actually use this in order to deliver information to you guys. So if it works, fantastic. If not, then we'll troubleshoot and we'll make it better. So at any rate, let me show you guys what I have. All right, so these are the steps that we're looking at. There's only 5 of them. Like I said, these steps should be very familiar to y'all as we have done this before. But I assume that you guys might need a little refresher. This is where we're gonna start off at. So these are the steps. I will refer back and forth to these so you will see them again. So you don't have to try to memorize them or anything right now. Feel free to pause the video and write them down should you need to make navigating this video a little easier. But without further ado, let's hop right into it. I prepared 2 example problems for you guys. One of them is going from grams to moles and the other is going in the opposite direction, moles to grams. Okay, so without further ado, here we go. All right, so number 1, this question says, how many moles are in 25.5 grams of NaCl? That's what it says. All right, let's look at step 1. Step 1 says, write what is given in the top left box. So write what they gave us in the top left box. So in this box right here. And they gave us 25.5 grams of NaCl. That's what they gave us. That's what we know. That's information we know. We don't got to guess it because they gave it to us. So we're going to put that in the top left box. $25.5 grams of NaCl. Cool. That's amazing. Awesome. All right. Step number 2 says put whatever units they gave us in the bottom right box. In the bottom right box. So right here. Put whatever units they gave us. In this case, they gave us grams. That's what the little g is for, grams. Okay. So we're just going to write a little g down here. We're not going to put anything with it because we don't know what we're going to put yet. So just a little g. Okay. Not a capital G, but a little g. You know. All right. Number 3, it says put the opposite units in the top right box. Put the opposite units. Well, we just put grams, so the opposite unit in this case of grams is obviously moles because we're only dealing with grams and moles. That's it. So we're going to put moles up here. M-O-L. M-O-L is moles, just in case you didn't know. Okay. And step number 4. Put the molar mass of the molecule that was given to you. And always, always, always put this number next to grams. Do not ever put it next to moles. It does not go there. So the molar mass of NaCl, this is the molecule that they gave us, NaCl, they gave us this. And we got to find the molar mass. In order to do that, you have to find the mass of each molecule that they give you. So we got Na and we got Cl. This is very easy to do. All right, so the mass of Na, let's look at our periodic table really quick. So if I go to my periodic table, I'm going to pull it up on my computer right here. If I go to my periodic table and I find Na, I'm going to zoom in so you can see it. I find Na, it is 22.99, okay? So we're going to go ahead and put that number, 22.99. There we go. Fantastic. Okay, and then we find Cl. Cl is 35.45. So we're going to put that, 35.45. And then we're going to add these numbers together. Now, of course, I can do this in my head, but I'd much rather not do that. I would much rather just use a calculator, as I assume that a lot of students are probably going to do that. And that is fine. So I have my calculator up here. So let's look at our numbers, okay? So our numbers is 22.99. So let's type that in. Whoop, got to click on it. There we go. All right, so 22.99. We want to add, so add and our other number is 35.45. So we're gonna add that. And that is going to give us a total of 58.44. So our molar mass is 58.44 grams per mole. So this number 58.44, you always put it next to grams, not moles. So it will be at the bottom. So 58.44 grams per 1 mole. You always put 1 in front of the mole. Fantastic. And last but not least, the last step is to calculate. And calculating is very, very easy. All you have to do is either multiply or divide. If they're right next to each other like these two are, you're going to multiply those. So 25.5 times 1 is obviously the same thing, 25.5. So you're going to take that total, 25.5, and divide it by the bottom, 58.44. So let's come over here and let's do this. So we got 25.5, and we're going to divide it. So 25.5 divided by, what was the number again? The number was 58.4. Yep, 58.44. So 58.44. And we get that number, 0.43. For the sake of having two decimal places, we're going to round it up to 0.44. So our answer is going to be 0.44, right? But we don't know what the units are, do we? Well, it's very easy. So first off, I forgot to put NaCl. I'm so sorry. Please get in the habit of putting the molecule, as you will need that later. But the units are meant like done like this so we can cancel them out. We're only left with that one. So 0.44 moles of NaCl. Which is what we were looking for. We wanted moles, right? How many moles? Okay. Now here's the second one. This one we're gonna go through a lot faster because this video is already 7 minutes long, and I don't want to exceed 10 minutes. All right, so really quick, it says how many grams are in 25.5 moles of NaCl. Very, very simple. So step one, once again, says write what is given in the top left box. They gave us this 25.5 moles of NaCl. So we're gonna write that in the top left box, similar to the last one. Okay, now step number 2 says, put whatever units they give you in the bottom right box. So in the bottom right box, we're gonna put moles of NaCl. Unlike last time when I forgot to put the Cl. That is the ugly Cl, but you guys know what it is. Okay, so cool. That's step number 2. Step number 3, put the opposite units in the top right box. So the opposite units of moles is, you guessed it, grams. So we're gonna put grams of NaCl. Cool. Okay. Step number 4 says put the molar mass of the molecule that you're given and put it next to grams. Obviously, we already found the molar mass of this. It's that. So we're just gonna put that number because we don't gotta calculate it again. It's the same number. So 58.4 or 58.44 grams of NaCl. Remember, always put it next to grams. Don't ever put it next to moles per 1 mole. And then finally, step 5 is calculate. So remember, we're only multiplying or dividing. There's no addition or subtraction in this whatsoever. If they're directly next to each other like these two are, we're multiplying. And whatever's on top and bottom will be division. So in this case, it's 25.5 times 58.44. So let's put that in real quick. We got 25.5. We're gonna go to times 58.44. and that gives us 1490.22. So our answer is gonna be 1490. Oh, I can't really see. There we go. 22. Oh, but we don't know our units. Well, remember, the reason why we do them like this is so we can cancel the top and the bottom ones out. So we're left with the last units, which is grams of NaCl. And there you have it. That's how to accurately convert from moles to grams and grams to moles. I do hope this video was helpful to you guys. I'll be providing you with some example problems. Let me know if you have any questions, and feel free to leave comments below with any questions as well. Have a blessed day, and feel free to pause the video right here so you can get all the steps. Whatever you need to do. Matter of fact, let me move this out the way. Whatever you need to do, here are all the steps. All right. You have a good day. Love y'all. And until the next time.